Yeah, pretty much. Your house could connect with your car and know exactly when you'll be home. So the temperature and air feel just right when you walk in. No extra energy wasted. That's the kind of future Elon Musk once imagined. Homes that sync perfectly with your Tesla, adjusting humidity automatically and ending those sticky, muggy mornings you get in places like Texas. That idea is no longer science fiction. The 2026 version of the tiny house brings that vision to life, staying dry and clean while lowering mold risks by 65%. And this is just the start. That's part of the latest upgrade now being tested. But there are two more changes that really take things to a new level. Things you haven't seen before. Today, we'll break down how this new kind of house finally fixes the biggest challenge of tiny living. If you're someone who believes that the future of homes should be smart, eco-friendly, and proudly made in America, tap that subscribe button. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers and take a closer look at Elon Musk's new take on housing. First, how does Tesla help reduce mold dangers and bring down health expenses by up to 65%? Picture walking into a tiny home that never smells old or damp, never causes arguments about mold cleanup, and always feels clean and healthy. Seems impossible, right? But Tesla's well-designed moisture system isn't just about good marketing. It's real, advanced tech taken from their cars and used in actual homes, where every breath counts. This isn't about selling you a dream. It's about explaining exactly how this system works to keep mold from ever taking hold in these homes. Ask yourself this: what if the secret to breathing easy in your retirement years isn't about having more rooms, but about smart features built right into the home that stop moisture problems before they begin? Think about older houses for a second. They deal with mold after it shows up. Tesla's system works ahead of time. It predicts and prevents mold before you even know there's an issue. That shift, from reacting to preventing, is where real savings start to show up. And the numbers tell the full story. Here's how it all works. Tesla added a group of 12 tiny sensors hidden inside the walls and ceilings. They use upgraded tech from their cars but adapted to handle daily life in real homes. These aren't cheap humidity detectors. They recognize changes in moisture early, using information from millions of data points gathered over 5 years. When you make your morning coffee and the steam fills the kitchen, these sensors spot a 15–20% rise in humidity up to 30 seconds ahead of time. That's about 40% quicker than what other smart home systems can do. And why is that important? Because early warning like this cuts down mold risks by 65% when compared to homes that don't have any kind of predictive system. Now think about the cost side. Most American families end up spending between $3,000 and $10,000 fixing mold problems when they grow out of control. If you catch moisture early, before mold has a chance to grow, you skip those big, stressful repair bills altogether. But these sensors don't just watch for moisture, they stop it from becoming a problem. And that prevention directly leads to health savings too. Breathing issues caused by mold can cost a family up to $2,500. A year in medical bills and missed work. Now here's where Tesla's 2026 update really stands out. They've built a very thin membrane, just 0.222 millimeters into the walls. It's designed with special parts that activate a gentle field to dry out moisture fast. Once the humidity reaches 55%, the point where mold starts to grow, this smart wall kicks in. That's a big deal since 30% of tiny homes in America already deal with mold at that level. This new membrane clears out 80% of moisture in just 5 minutes. That's 2 times more effective than regular dehumidifiers based on tested lab conditions, and it's built to last. This membrane can handle over 10,000 drying cycles without breaking down. That means it'll keep working for decades. Let's bring this closer to real life. In a state like Texas, where summer humidity often hits 70%, tests show that Tesla's system stops around 500 mold spots every year compared to regular building methods. That's not just theory. That's protection you can count on, built right into the home. And the best part? It runs silently in the background. It pushes out extra moisture through special layers in the wall, keeping your inside air comfortable and dry. No need to replace filters, no noisy machines running all day, and no high electric bills from using plug-in dehumidifiers non-stop. Tesla also added solar-powered ventilation. That's where their car knowledge really shines. The roof panels generate 1.2 kilowatt-hours per day. That's enough energy to run multiple air cycles without taking up too much roof space. This vent system follows the natural movement of air, capturing 95% of tiny water droplets. Plus, built-in filters remove odors and completely stop the 18% humidity spike that usually happens in small rooms with poor airflow. So when you take a hot shower, the system clears the steam in just 90 seconds, using 70% less energy than older systems. Now, let's take places like New York, where the weather can change every hour. The vents adjust automatically based on the forecast. That means 85% of outdoor dampness is blocked before it even gets in. But this isn't only about feeling comfy. It's also about saving money. Cutting energy use by 70% adds up. That's real cash staying in your wallet. For retired couples living on fixed incomes, this difference between normal ventilation and Tesla's smart system could save them $600 to $800 every year. And these numbers are based on real test homes across different weather zones. Picture a retired couple in Florida, waking up on a humid morning. Instead of worrying, they're breathing fresh air. Why? Because their house managed the humidity on its own. No reminders, no fussing over windows or machines. That kind of relief and ease is what turns a house into a real home. These benefits aren't just nice ideas. They're already happening every day for families living in these next-gen homes. And the health improvements are clear. Fewer breathing issues and no mold problems. So here's the big question. Would you give up 200 square feet of space you never use if it meant living in a home that actively protects your lungs and saves you thousands on medical costs? Do you think it's really possible for a house to manage moisture all by itself without you having to lift a finger? If you do, type 65% in the comments. Because if you agree that cutting mold risk by 65% using smart sensors is a better investment than paying for empty rooms, then you already get it. Prevention is always better than fixing a problem later. But keeping moisture out is only half the reason these homes last so long. The real strength of these houses starts 6 feet beneath the surface, where most people never look. How do Tesla's 6 heavy-duty screw piles create a rock-solid foundation that stays strong for 50 years, even when the ground moves or weather gets extreme, while most regular houses start cracking after just 10? That's the next part of the story, because even the driest home won't matter if the ground under it gives way. 2. How did Tesla's 6 reinforced screw anchors provide a foundation that can last 50 years? A small house built on shaky supports can feel fragile, almost like a camper that could drift away during the next big storm. Tesla wanted to get rid of that fear permanently. Their solution? 6 reinforced screw anchors that let the home act like a full-sized house, secure and steady for half a century. This kind of stability isn't just about engineering. It brings peace of mind. It's the difference between saying, "I'm staying in a trailer," and "I'm living at home." So how do 6 steel support columns offer the kind of long-lasting strength that gives older homeowners true comfort? The answer lies in smart materials and precise math that can't be faked. Tesla's foundation setup begins with 6 galvanized steel screw piles, each 3.5 inches wide and reaching 20 feet into the ground. They're not dug by hand or estimated by guesswork. Hydraulic machines install them in just 1 hour using exact torque. The entire home is raised 18 inches above ground level, shielding it from sudden floods that affect more than 1 million elderly homeowners every year in flood-prone zones. Every anchor is coated twice, first with zinc for galvanic shielding, then covered in epoxy for chemical defense. Together, these coatings form a strong barrier against rust and decay, lasting 50 years without any upkeep. Before placing the first anchor, Tesla's crew performs detailed soil analysis using test probes and 3D software to make sure every screw pile can hold up to 50 tons. The final positions are confirmed using laser tools with 1 millimeter accuracy, preventing the kind of settling issues that affect most traditional small foundations. Tesla's bold method has been tested in real conditions. Each anchor includes a helical blade that can resist side pressure up to 15 kips, which makes the base stable even during a 7.0 magnitude earthquake. It also holds up better against frost and erosion than concrete slabs, since the helical blades dig twice as deep into the soil, anchoring it 200% deeper than usual. That deeper grip lowers the risk of costly foundation repairs by 80% compared to normal footings, Tesla's engineers even simulated 50 years of real-world weather, from freezing Alaska winters to heavy Florida rains, to adjust the shape and threading of the screw piles. The outcome is a strong, flexible base that works on about 90% of soil types found in the U.S., whether it's clay, sand, or loam. But Tesla isn't only focused on durability. Flexibility is just as important. Each screw pile is designed to stay solid for 5 decades with zero wear, confirmed by anti-rust layers and built-in motion sensors that notice even the slightest 1-degree tilt. These sensors send real-time data to Tesla's home stability app with 99% accuracy, warning the homeowner before any shift becomes dangerous. This feature is part of the standard package, giving older adults extra confidence that their home is always being monitored. If the home ever needs to be moved, Tesla's design makes relocation simple. The structure can be lifted, screw piles removed, and the whole setup reinstalled at a new location in just 4 hours using regular cranes. The same screw anchors can be reused for years, which boosts resale value by up to 25%, while also allowing flexible living for retirees who want to move with the seasons. Now, imagine this scenario. A heavy storm blows through your neighborhood. Trees sway, wind howls, and rain hits hard. When the sky clears and you step outside, nothing creaks. The porch is steady. The stairs haven't moved. The walls are just as solid. That's what good foundation design looks like. It's not about flash. It's about strength. It's the quiet comfort of knowing your home is going to last. So here's a thought. If a foundation really could hold steady for 50 years, would you finally consider it a true home? Type 50 years in the comments if that kind of strength makes you believe in Tesla's vision even more. And if you think long-term stability is amazing, just wait until you see how Tesla turns compact living into real comfort. Because up next, we're going to show how Tesla's clever design makes small living feel incredibly spacious and changes everyday life for the better. 3. How does Tesla's smart layout setup improve your comfort and reduce clutter by 150%? Have you ever felt like the word tiny in tiny house feels a bit limiting? It used to be that way, until Tesla got involved. The Tesla Tiny House 2026 model uses just 320 square feet, yet somehow it feels more like 600 square feet of livable space. This isn't just about clever tricks. It's about smart design, smart engineering, and understanding how real people live. For seniors or small families in places like Texas who want simplicity without sacrificing function, Tesla's smart layout system turns every inch into something useful. So how does a compact home shift from a cozy retreat to a place for hosting or hobbies, without having to push furniture around or feeling cramped? It all comes down to 3 layout features that rethink what small spaces can do. The first big idea is Tesla's sliding panel system. 8 connected wall panels move silently on precision actuators, the same kind used in Tesla's car assembly process. These panels allow you to change the living room's shape in seconds, making space for 6 guests, or opening the room up by 150%. In Tesla's user tests, people living in flexible layouts said they felt 40% better in terms of mood and comfort. But there's more. Each wall panel has built-in sun protection that blocks 98% of glare, especially useful in sunny places like Florida, and includes hidden compartments that hold up to 200 pounds of household items. Compared to fixed-wall homes, this system gives you 3 times more usable space for storage and daily living. It truly changes how small homes feel. Now let's talk about the kitchen, the usual stress point in tiny homes. Tesla fixed that by creating a flexible countertop that can expand from 2 feet to 8 feet with just one button press. The surface cleans itself, resists bacteria, and reuses 92% of cooking heat to help power nearby appliances. It even includes a tiny herb garden that can grow 12 pounds of fresh greens a year using only a few square feet. In lab testing, this kitchen setup cut cooking time by 25% and made cleaning up nearly effortless. For seniors who want to live independently without daily strain, that's not just helpful, it's freedom built into the kitchen. Next, there's the bedroom innovation that shows Tesla's creative side. The bed platform slowly lowers from the ceiling on smooth, silent tracks. It switches from a single to a double bed in just 20 seconds. Under the mattress, there are health sensors that track heart rate with a 2 beats per minute accuracy. If they detect stiffness or joint pressure, the bed adjusts itself for more comfort. That's a big deal for the half of seniors over 65 who experience regular pain. The bed also reduces outside noise to just 25 decibels, about 70% quieter than average city sounds. And underneath, space to store 50 books. The result? A 35% improvement in sleep quality, based on early data from test homes. For retired Americans or those downsizing, this means they don't have to sacrifice anything. They get better sleep, smarter tools, and a quieter space all at once. You won't feel like you've given up anything. In fact, it feels like you've gained something valuable. Freedom. That emotional shift from making do to truly enjoying your space is powerful. It turns fear into excitement. And that's what Tesla is testing next in their labs. What do you think? Are these features essential to future living? Share your thoughts below. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up with the next steps in Tesla's journey.